I'm going to tell this story, and then I'm going to get on Oprah with Douglas. And we're going to tell this story, and we're going to help a lot of people who believe that their anxiety is the truth when it's just a manifestation coming out of their body. So Oprah and I are going to meet, and I'm going to be on the show, and that is going to be another thing that's going to help me ground me through this process as I release this old pain and as I get my life back together. The story needs to be told, and yeah, so I'm going to get on Oprah. Oprah, you're going to be watching this right now. Oprah, today is September 27th, 2003. Oprah, I'm going to be sitting next to you, and we're going to tell this story, and we're going to help a lot of people. I am committed to releasing this stuff in my hips, and I'm committed to finding a strategy that will work for everyone who has experienced trauma, extreme trauma. So that's the plan. Oprah, I'm going to succeed so I can bring this on your show, so that I can help people who have a similar problem. Okay? I've said it before, let me say it again. Okay, Oprah, I am taking my life back. I'm taking my life back. Oprah, we're going to help people with this because I think I'm onto something. I don't know what it is, but I think I am onto something profound, something amazing. And Oprah, we're going to get on your show, and we're going to help people when I figure out a model for this problem. And Oprah, I am going to be on your show, and we're going to help a lot of people, because, you know, I think a lot of people have this condition and they don't realize it. Oprah, 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 and we're going to help people. We're going to get there. Oprah, we are going to get there. I am determined. Oprah, we're getting there. Oh, man. Oprah, we're coming on that show. Damn it.